Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Bluetooth on-off switch missing Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click services. Open Bluetooth support service, change startup type to automatic, click start, click apply, click OK. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click your Bluetooth adapter, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, select Model, click Next. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device, disable device, after disable re-enable device. Fourth method is Open File Explorer, this PC, C drive, Windows, System 32 folder. Send to desktop shortcut. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click Actions, click Add Legacy Hardware, check Install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Select Network Adapter. Select RF-COM Protocol TDI. Sixth method is open any browser. Type Intel Bluetooth driver in browser search bar. Download and install driver software. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.